So recently I just haven't been loving hummus and I couldn't quite figure it out. Because typically I'm a big hummus girly, you know, chickpeas, dips, it's all my jam. But then I realized it's actually store-bought hummus that I despise. So when Spice Tribe sent over a few of their spices to try, I knew exactly what I was going to do with them. I've never actually cooked with sumac, so I was excited to find that Spice Tribe carried a few different types of sumac spices. And I decided to make a super creamy, smooth hummus to be the bed of my sumac marinated onions. And I used Spice Tribe's Wild Cured Sumac seasoning. So these onions literally can go on anything and instantly elevate a dish. Throw them on your tacos, elevated. Put them in your salads, elevated. Place them on your sandos and your wraps, elevated. So you should definitely go make yourself some of these marinated onions to put onto your hummus because, you know, instant elevation. And whether it's homemade hummus or not, take those creamy chickpeas to the next level. And what is better than sumac marinated onions on hummus? Nothing, I believe, is the answer. So if you like flavor and good tasting food, you should go check out the link in my bio. Spice Tribe is a really cool company founded on taste and realness. I'll also leave a code for you guys to use. And welcome to Flavor Town.